A Henderson County deputy is fired after being charged with 3 felony counts of sexual relations with a student. Sheriff Charles McDonald says he expects his now former worker to face additional criminal counts related to an alleged affair with a 16-year-old student. News 13's Kimberly King joins us live from the sheriff's office. Kim, what else is Sheriff McDonald saying?
Frank, the sheriff is saying that the case is still open. The deputy arrested at his house at midnight last night, posting $45,000 bond as the investigation continues.
Late yesterday, Friday, January the 17th, I received information concerning possible criminal conduct by one of my deputies.
That deputy, Daniel Lindsey, the 27-year-old now charged with 3 felony counts of sexual offense with a student.
We are not currently aware of any contact between Mr. Lindsey, any other allegations between Mr. Lindsey and any other student.
Last October and December, investigators say Lindsey had relations with a 16-year-old at Balfour Education Center, the center for students who have challenges staying in school. Lindsey worked there as a school resource officer.
I think when a police officer is involved, they have to hold themselves to a higher standard.
Kirsten Hinkle lives next door to Lindsey, who she says recently bought his house and was driving a new squad car.
I knew that he was divorced, had 2 boys. He and his wife now, they just got married maybe 4 months ago.
While there were cars in the driveway, no one answered the door. And while some neighbors feel that Lindsey should be held accountable if the allegations are true, another neighbor we spoke to, who asked we not show his face, hopes the investigation is thorough.
I just hope that the investigation is thorough, and being in a position where he's out of school, he's more susceptible to charges like that.
I'm shocked. I am very shocked. But I also believe that if he's guilty, then he should pay.
Investigators believe the relationship between the student and the former deputy was consensual, but under the law, when an officer in a position of authority gets involved with a student, the charges can then be filed. The former deputy also was a DARE officer, and he has his initial court appearance on Tuesday. Reporting live at the Henderson County Sheriff's Office, Kimberly King, News 13.